The main focus of your 4 months stay at this training facility is basically to develop your physical stamina, cognitive ability, emotional quotient, and spiritual being geared towards the building of your character to become a professional jail officers.
Let me further say this to you. The hardest part of your training is your first step. The step when you decided to join the jail bureau. The rest will be easy, I assure you.
I hope you will agree that you are fortunate to be given the opportunity to stand before this hallowed ground of NJMTTI Luzon off-campus site to undergo the JBRC training.
I hereby turn over 303 Jail Officer 1 trainees effective this date.
I accept 303 participants of JBRC 2023-03 and present it to our Director, Chief Superintendent Gilbert Flor, for the formal opening, sir.
I hereby declare the opening of classes of 300 members of Jail Basic Recruit Course Class 2023 as 05 effective this day. Congratulations.
Your role is not just about enforcing rules and regulation, but also about fostering a safe and respectful environment. Stay true to your values, be honest and fair with others, and always strive to be the best version of yourself.
With all that being said, I hope I have given you insight to cling to. Welcome aboard JBRC Class 2023-05. Good luck and let the first phase of your training begin.
Ang aking pangarap, ang tayo ay lumipad at maglaro sa ulap. Nais ko lang na may makita kang nakangiti, ang makapiling ka sa bawat sandali. Lahat ay gagawin, lahat ay susuungin, lahat haharapin, lahat ay kakayanin. Lilipad ako para lang sa'yo. Lilipad ako sa dulo ng mundo. Ang lahat ng to'y para lang sa'yo. Dahil ang totoo, ikaw ang aking superhero. Lahat magagawa, hindi ako matatakot, hindi mangangamba basta't ikaw ang nasa puso ko. Kahit na mahirap, kahit na ako ay maliit, ikaw ay tutulungan, kahit buhay ko ang kapalit. Lahat ay gagawin, lahat ay susuungin, lahat haharapin, lahat ay